What are the terms of the Treaty of Versailles? First is war indemnity. The treaty declared Germany को guilty बनाया गया, guilty of aggression. She had to pay heavy sum as a ransom, estimated at $33 billion लिया वो लोग से as war indemnity or reparation to the Allies. Germany was to evacuate the places. जो भी capture किया सारा place छोड़ दो और $33 billion दो, बस यही बात था. Next comes the Rhine Valley. The area of the Rhine Valley में German military था, you have to demilitarize it. Germany could not maintain or construct any fortification. तुम कोई building, कोई ditches, कुछ नहीं बनाओगे to protect this place. Either on the left bank of the Rhine or on the right bank, कहीं भी नहीं. To guarantee the execution of the treaty, the German territories west of Rhine was to be occupied by the, तो जो German territories था Rhine का west में, 15 years तक the allies, the allied troops will occupy it. হয়ে গেল Rhine Valley ব্যাপারটা. এবার হচ্ছে Alsace and Lorraine and the Saar Basin, उनको लेके क्या किया जाए. The treaty brought about some vital territorial rearrangements हुआ. The treaty benefited France का दो में benefit हुआ. क्या क्या? France got back Alsace and Lorraine, जो वो फ्रैंको-प्रूशियन वॉर के समय लॉस्ट कर दिया था, वो वापस मिल गया वो लोग को. And to compensate France for the deliberate destruction, उनका coal mines नष्ट कर दिया गया by Germany. So she was given full ownership of the rich coal mines of the Saar Basin. अब वो लोग को मिल गया. A district adjoining Lorraine for 15 years के लिए उसको मिल गया. तब France now was a much better position after the war. And another way the treaty benefited France was that Togoland and the Cameroon, West African दुटो देश, were partitioned between Britain and France. भाग करके आधा आधी करके Togoland and Cameroon ले लिया. Hello? So these were the ways in which France benefited. Next होचे Schleswig. The fate of Schleswig, taken away from Denmark in 1864, was determined by a plebiscite. The northern zone, or northern zone ta Schleswig, voted for incorporation in Denmark, and the central zone voted for Germany. কেউ চাইছে ডেনমার্কের পার্ট হতে, কেউ চাইছে জার্মানির পার্ট হতে. তারপরে হচ্ছে এইগুলো কিন্তু অতটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট নয়, ইউপেন অ্যান্ড ম্যালমেডি, তাও করছি আমরা. তুই যদি পয়েন্টস বাদ দিস তাহলে ইউ ক্যান অপ্ট আউট দিস টু, বিকজ 5 পয়েন্টস করতেই হবে এটার. ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্স অফ পোল্যান্ড. হ্যাঁ, the newly created state of Poland got back all the territories which she had lost in the war. She got back everything. Posen and almost the whole of West Prussia were also included in the Polish state के अंदर Prussia भी आ गया. To provide Poland with a port, the German city of Danzig was internationalized. So German city of Danzig international बानिए दिया हलो ताकि पोलैंड को एक पोर्ट भी मिले. It was kept as a free city and placed under the protection, and Poland was now free and it was placed under the League of Nations. Trading rights through the city of Danzig increased Poland's wealth and resources. बहुत गुण बढ़ गया. So up to 6 points we have discussed. Next 6 points we'll discuss in the next video.